Hello dear students, welcome to my channel Techno Pharma by Niranjan Chute. In this video, we are going to discuss MCQs on the topic incompatibility from the pharmaceutics to subject. So let us start. Following are the type of incompatibilities except physico-chemical incompatibility, physical incompatibility, chemical incompatibility, and therapeutic incompatibility. And the correct answer is yes, physico-incompatibility. There are mainly three types of incompatibilities: physical, chemical, and therapeutic. So physico-chemical is not the type of incompatibility. Physical incompatibility in the preparation of occurs due to except immiscibility, evaporation, precipitation, or insolubility. And the correct answer for this question is yes, evaporation. So evaporation is not the cause of physical incompatibility. In the prescription containing the ingredients for castor oil emulsion, the type of incompatibility is yes, chemical incompatibility, therapeutic incompatibility, physical incompatibility, or physico-chemical incompatibility. And the correct answer for this is physical incompatibility. In castor oil emulsion, the type of incompatibility found is physical incompatibility. Dash can be corrected by changing the order of mixing of ingredients: physical incompatibility, chemical incompatibility, therapeutic incompatibility, and the fourth option is tolerated incompatibility. And the correct answer for this question is tolerated incompatibility. This can be corrected by changing the order of mixing of the ingredients. To correct the chemical incompatibility in the diffusible precipitate yielding reactions, the type of method used is yes, method A, method B, method C, and method all. That is all methods. That is A, B, and C. And the correct answer is method A. So diffusible precipitate yielding reactions can be corrected by using method A. Therapeutic incompatibility occurs due to except mixing of explosive substances, error in the dosage, contraindicated drugs, or wrong dose. So therapeutic incompatibility occurs due to except mixing of explosive substances. The correct option or the correct answer is mixing of explosive substances. In Hirabath reaction of quinine, dash color crystals developed after 3 days: olive red, olive green, olive black, or olive blue. And the correct answer is yes, olive green. Answer is olive green color crystals are developed after 3 days in Hirabath reaction of quinine. Dash incompatibility is unknown to the prescriber. That is, answers or the options for answers are intentional, physical, unintentional, or chemical incompatibility. That is unknown to the prescriber. And the correct answer is unintentional incompatibility is unknown to the prescriber. That is, the prescriber doesn't know. In dash incompatibilities, the chemical interaction can be prevented by addition or substitution of one of the ingredients. Physical incompatibility, chemical incompatibility, tolerated incompatibility, or adjusted incompatibility. Then the correct answer for this question is adjusted incompatibility. This can be prevented by addition or substitution of one of the ingredients. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.